What's good? What's good, YouTube? Hope everybody can hear me. Give it a little bit just so I can make sure y'all with me. I know we live on YouTube, so you can easily replay it. So good though. Y'all can hear me. Make sure you drop a one in the chat. Everybody can hear me. Drop a one if you can hear me and see my screen. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It's going by real fast. Real fast. And we had daylight saving yesterday. So over here it's 7 o'clock when it's really supposed to be 6 o'clock. But one thing I can say is that this is the first Sunday that is 7 o'clock Eastern time, and I can look outside and it's not dark. So, but make sure y'all like, give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you don't already. If you want, when I get done going through Spy and QQQ and stuff, you can start dropping stocks below if you want me to look at any stocks. We'll go over. But other than that, man, let's hop into it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go. All right. So first up on the list is Spy, of course, right? I haven't looked at the market since Friday, so everything is like a nice fresher for me as well. That's how I like to do it with you on Sunday. I like to, stay away from the market so everything fresh and raw with y'all. Everything fresh and raw. We live from the 215. Let's get it. Give me that thumbs up as y'all coming in so more people can join. And like, comment, subscribe if you don't already. All right. So we in a bullish market, right? Like the market is just running, running, running. Let's take a look at this. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. All right. And then we are on the daily chart as well. Okay. Give me that thumbs up, y'all. Thumbs up. Let's get it. All right, so Friday, SPY came up here to this new all-time highs. Yes, new all-time highs. 518.22. I was hoping that SPY could hit 520 Friday, but it didn't. 520 was my next take profit level after 516. Okay, but we didn't hit. It's okay though. If anyone was on the live with me Friday, right? I'm live on YouTube every Friday. So we're literally live day trading every Friday on YouTube. Every Sunday on YouTube, we live for Sunday Watchlist. And if you didn't already, make sure to join the Telegram chat. It's in the comments. Below it's in the comments. So I'll just put that up there. But we live for the rest of the year. For the rest of the year, we're gonna be live. For the past since I started, we've been live for the past 3 years. I've been live every day consistently, every Sunday. Days here and there, I have stuff to do. But all right, so 4 hour chart. Let's go down to our 4 hour chart. We already see SPY came to that new all-time highs, and then we came back down, approaching Thursdays and Wednesdays on Tuesday of last week levels. And as you can see, that's right here, right? So my zone and the zones is already set, but if I delete it, I can easily put it back because I'm going to show y'all exactly how I got it. Just this wick right here. You see this wick on February 23rd. That was the last wick before it retraced, right? So I'm just going to draw that from that line to like here. Or was it like right here? I'll do right here because all these candles are more respected right here, right? So literally, that's So I already have the zone set, right? So the zone is 512. As long as we stay below 512, we can come down to at least this 510, which is a $2 move, right? And below 510, but remember, I got this 510 from this wick right here, right? And then we go to the daily chart. All right, we can even look where 510 is at, and we can see that's at our 8 EMA, 8 or 9. If you use 9 EMA, it really should be at the same, at or around the same level in the daily. Okay, but either or, say my 8 EMA is right here at this 510 on the daily. Okay, 510 on the daily, right? And on the 4-hour chart, this is this wick, this support right here. Okay, so I have 510 as support as long as we can stay below 512, in which we came up and got rejected from 512, and so far from 512 we fell all the way down to 511. Right. Below 510, my next loan zone is 507, so a $3 drop. A $3 drop, right, to this 507 level. This rectangle zone I have right here, which this is already here as well. So we go to the 1-hour chart, right? We can kind of see. I'm just showing y'all how I got this level. But we can kind of see, like, even over here when we held the bottom of the zone, we didn't. It wasn't like a. It wasn't like a put situation. Every time, even this consolidation, even right here when we bounce off of here at 507, the next candle after that, which is the next 1 hour from 507, it came all the way back to 509. It's a $2 move. And then it came back to 507, then it bounced off 507 again, then went to 508. And then once we finally lost 507 and stopped bouncing off it, we lost 507. Then the first drop we fell to it was a $2 drop to 505. And then we hit 507. And then after we hit 507, we got a $3 drop to 504. And then once we held above 507, as you can see, once we broke, even this, I'm going to try to zoom in, but even this little candle right here holding 507, even this red candle, we holding 507. So you see how the movement, the type of movement happens when we hold above 507. Okay. If that makes sense, and look at this. You see how the movement, what happened? Boom. All right. The last time we held up 507, we got a $2 move. Sorry, $3 move to 510. The second time we held 507, we got a from 510 all the way to 513. We got a $6 move on the second time. Technically more than that because 514, like a $7 move, because that's when we got the next retrace. So we got a $7 move. The first time we got a $3 move holding above 507. The second time we got a $7 move holding above 507. Right? Now, if that makes sense, I need everybody to give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up in the chat if that makes sense. And if you already put a thumbs up, drop a 1 so I understand that y'all following me. Yes, this Sunday watch list, but I want to make sure that you leave here still learning a little something. That it wasn't just a Sunday watch list. You know, oh, okay, like I see how he looking at the charts or something. So drop a 1 if you following and give me a thumbs up, man. Let's get it. So we lost 507 here. Where did we come to? 504. Oh, how ironic. How ironic. History just repeated once again. Not at all, right? Not at all. Not at all. You're just going to draw a line at that 504 level. 504, 505 level, right? How ironic? Nope, not at all. So, also we got this gap right here. Whoa, hold on. We're not even there yet. Hold on. We're not even there yet. So, we lost 507 with the 504, got a $3 drop. All right, so notice how every time we lose 507, it's an average of what? Average of what, y'all? Come on. Average of, every time we lose 507, what is that an average of? It's an average of 2, right, to 3. Try to draw my 3 best out. 2 to 3. So I'm going to leave that right there. That's telling me that every time we lose 507, we get a $2-$3 drop. The first time was 505, and the second time and third time and the fourth time was 504. So we got a $2-$3 drop every time we lose 507, right? Now we hold above 507, right? We already noticed, get the brush out. The first time was 510, $3. The second time was 514, $7. So it increased from the first time holding above 507. And the third time, we came right here to 512. And then we retraced back to 508, holding above our key level, 507. And then push higher to 518, right? Cool. Still holding above the 507 level. That's the point. Okay. Not to mind you, All right. SPY made a gap right here at 507, which the line is already perfectly there because I already had this. This was already here, right? On right tangle zone. SPY made a gap pre-market after hours and at 507 to 507, right? But it's a 20-cent gap or 80 to 30. Okay, like a 50-cent gap. Okay, it's a 50 cent. It's like a 50-cent gap that was never filled, right? Never filled. And we came all the way back up here, and now we're back in the zone, right? We back in the zone. So I like below 510 to 507 to this gap fill. Okay, that's what I'm watching for this week. Below 507, 504. We got 504, 505. We got this $2-3 average right here. So that's what I'm looking at for SPY. Hopefully that makes sense, but it's not too much. It's not too much to it, you know. And for upside, of course, if 512 is if 512 is the reason why I'm saying okay, puts to 510, and then if we stay below 510, then more puts. If we hold 510, come down here, hold 510, calls back to 512. Break above 512, then calls even more. Right? So if 512 is the reason that's making me say puts, if we hold above this 512, this 512, 513 right here, right? I like calls. I like calls. But it's not really much to it because my whole motto is keeping it simple and basic, not, overthinking or doing too much or anything like that. So, yeah, that's what I'm watching for SPY and looking at for the levels is 512, 510, 507. And then, stay below 507 to 504, stay below 504, then you got the next level. Stay below 500, then we bet in the 498 level, 498. And then we got, just that's, and, so on, just stairs. Stairs going up and the stairs going down. Let's get it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You don't subscribe already, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get it. Get some likes in here. We need some likes. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Next stock, QQQ. Let's go. NASCAR. Hello. Ready for tomorrow? Yes. Yes, sir. Ready for tomorrow. We getting ready right now. So I ain't ready yet, but we getting ready. We getting ready right now. All right. And if you're not in the free Telegram chat that's pinned, that's literally in the comments, make sure y'all hit that and join. I send my alerts in there from throughout the week, from Monday through Friday. I don't send alerts every single day, but I make sure y'all week. I make sure the Telegram chat eats every week. I at least make sure y'all eat every week, even if that's a Friday with live day trading with me, or I'm sending y'all alert on middle of the week on Wednesday, Tuesday, whatever. But join that Telegram chat, man. It can't get no better than that. All right. Hold on. Let's see. We got these lows over here. Like 534. I got this 537.94. So that's what I have for QQQ. All right. And really, we can make this into a rectangle zone because we broke out a couple times. It had confluence. Just like that. Boom. That's all I have for QQQ. Below this, 437.95. Right. I have 434 next. So if we hold above 439, you see how y'all see how the bottom of my zone is 437.90, and the top of my zone is 439.15, almost $2, right? 437, 439, and I'm saying I gotta break above 439 for me to play calls, because we can hold 437 and get rejected at 439 and come down even lower. So above 439, I like calls to for a scalp or even to retest to see will we get a breakout of this double top rejection and push higher, or this double top about to be the real deal. But since we have a double top rejection, my main key is the just seeing how we react. Okay, how will we react? Will we react just to come down to fall and make a higher low, right? So we can make another higher high, or just double top the real deal, and we about to wipe out this 434 level. If we do wipe out this 434 level from this double top, I want to play the retrace from that drop. So basically, right, if we hold on, oops, if we get the path, we wiped out this 434. Cool. I want to enter off the retrace. So right here, this would be the entry for me to make that next lower low. If we do lose this 434, because that's telling me that all right, if we lose to this 434 and stay below 434, and then we come back and retest it, that's telling me that we're trying to now we're entering this zone. From we're in a new support is 422. Right, so even 425, 422 around here, because even this last retracement and lost 437, the same exact zone, the same rectangle yellow zone that we have right here on February 12th. We lost this zone, we came all the way down to 426. Then we came back to the zone, then came all the way back down to 422. And then we came back to the zone, then came all the way down to 434. And then we lost this 437, 438 zone again, and came back to 434. So we lose 434. That's the key level for me to say, okay, now we can come back down to 425 to 422. So now I'm just going to draw a line, get a rectangle zone from 425 to 422. We got a last previous levels from the rejection from here. So this is my 100% move from losing this 437. My safe weight is this 434. And that's why I like for QQQ. Hold above. Man, y'all following? Y'all with me? Can y'all hear me? I don't want to lose nobody. I want to make sure y'all good. Let me know. Talk to me like you walk to me. I don't want no one to be lost in the sauce. Give me some thumbs up. We need some thumbs up, man. Hands up, thumbs up. Wall Street been black. Make sure y'all drop comments below if y'all want me to look at any stocks. All right. All right. So we went over SPY. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? Because I can't. I just joined. I can't hear myself. Can y'all hear me? I just joined on my phone and I don't hear myself at all. Can y'all hear me? All right, bet. All right. He said not lost at all. All right, nice. All right. So we went over SPY. If you missed it, this is on YouTube, so you can go back. We went over QQQ. And the reason why I keep doing more downside activity, more downside levels, is because if you look at everything, right? And here's just my reason. Here's the reason why. Like, because when I went over SPY, right? SPY was like we went over SPY from and we just straight set up our downside levels. We didn't set up no upside because it's at all-time highs. So you can't go any higher. We can't really we can only predict levels. Like I had a level for Friday was 520. We didn't hit 520, it was 518. But so here's my reason why I'm more stronger to the downside, right? If you look on a daily chart on SPY, which we just did, and I just changed QQQ to a daily chart, and look at even QQQ daily, right? We got a double top rejection with a big red engulf candle that engulfed the candle to the left, right? So this is a bearish sign, right? So QQQ daily is looking bearish, okay? SPY daily is looking bearish, right? And then if we just go all to the top, go to Microsoft. Microsoft daily, look at this consolidation, right? And we have a lower high situation playing out right here. Right? So we have a lower high situation playing out. Now, anyone know lower highs pattern? Lower lows, lower highs? Well, I just gave you the answer. I was trying to quiz y'all, but when you see lower highs, you want to see a lower low, right? So when we made this first lower high right here, we got this big red engulfing, right? And then we came down. We did not make a lower low. We still stayed above previous low, which is this one. And this low made a double bottom with this one, right? And now Microsoft come back up, and now we're literally retesting this red engulfing, and we close below 50% of this red candle. So when Microsoft came back up to do a retest of this red engulfing, we closed below 50% of this red engulfing, showing more downside activity. So this Microsoft is looking like we may finally make that lower low on a daily, which I have 394. Okay. So this is why I'm leaning more towards a bearish. I'm not saying I'm overall bearish. I'm just saying that, you know, a lot of stuff looking a little fishy right now. And like and over the weekend, I already seen these reports came out when it happened in January and February, but I just keep seeing it over. It's like the government or it's like I don't know, whoever the people is, like Wall Street or something. I don't know. But it's like they pushing social media to make these, like, if you're into stocks and you watch stock stuff, it's gonna be on your timeline. But it's like they was pushing it to post this stuff over the weekend because I see this strong. Like Jeff Bezos selling some million of shares back in February, and like I already seen this. Like this all this news that's coming out is old news, right? And with me, with they just keep pushing it heavy, or I don't know, with just my timeline, but I just keep seeing it over and over. I'm like, yo, why I keep seeing this? Like, I've already seen this last month. I already seen this last month. Even Nancy Pelosi, when she was selling her stuff in January, J.P. Morgan, when they was selling their stuff in January, they was selling stuff in January. They was selling, and the market just kept running, running, running. And they've been selling Apple since last year, right? And like you just keep seeing all this stuff, and SPY just keep running all time highs, all time highs, all time highs. So it makes you think that we may get one more pump because like if all right, just say if in charge, say push all this stuff out to social media, push all this bearish or Jeff Bezos selling this, JP Morgan selling this, Nazy, push all that stuff out. Then Monday the markets might run $10. That might be the last push that we get. Then we get a drop. Or something. It always be like the opposite effect because not always, but you'll see it happen a lot. Like you can get something that's so bearish on the stock, and you see bearish, and then as soon as you look at it, that thing right, it's doing the opposite. It's doing the opposite, you know. But definitely be careful. So the reason why I'm looking at all, top of SPY holdings is to see to get the overall a volume of it, of the selling pressure. Okay, is more people selling or more people buying? What do SPY top holdings look like? Right, and we have Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Meta, right? That's just four right there, which has been taking and dominating right now, right? So what is the selling pressure on on majority of them? So if you look at Microsoft, Apple, Meta, Nvidia, say they all say bearish, they all look bearish, right? Then that's to give you more of a downside. And if say a SPY look bullish, right? All right, so now we're gonna wait for a SPY to catch up to look bearish, like it's top holding, or vice versa. We're gonna wait for the top holdings to catch up to SPY and wait for all that to look bullish. But just run through the daily stock of all of them, right? But Microsoft, we got the consolidation at a new high right here, and then we got a lower high right here situation. So the same thing with QQQ. Wait to see how it plays out. Wait to see how it plays out. Y'all see QQ made a double top. It was not running. It made a double top and fell. Wait to see how that play out. Will that double top be legit? Will we lose our, everything I'm saying is repeated because I already said this, but definitely go through the daily, right? Of the top holdings of SPY. That's just Microsoft, right? Meta right here. Meta don't really look too bearish though. I ain't gonna lie, this thing do like can keep running. Um, the daily look good. I'm not gonna lie, especially this 4 hour looking good. Especially we can hold. Let's see. I have the 499, and then we can hold. Really, we can hold 100% move, which is the last retrace. So 487. right? So Meta still look good though. Meta is holding up. It look good. Definitely watch out though. The video took over. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. The video took over. Yo, the video, the video. Do y'all realize? Hold on. I don't know y'all realize this. Hold on. The video just ran to 973. 973. It's about to hit 1,000. 1,000. Yo, hold on. Last month, did you know that video was at $726? The video ran over $200 in 1 month. Over 200. Look, this February. Y'all see this right here. They don't say February 29th. It was at 773. Do y'all think it's March 29th yet? No. It's not even, it's March 10th. From February 29th to March 10th, it ran $200. That's ridiculous. That's crazy. Like, this is like it's not like a GameStop because GameStop was so fast. That was really crazy. Because the video been going, it's been some time. Look at this. It's just been running since October, right? Last time I looked was October, November. Yeah, look. October, November. I know this thing to the T. I've been watching this thing. I made some money on this thing. I ain't gonna lie. Ernest definitely made some money. I think I had like an 860 strike or 830 strike for like 2 weeks out or something. I don't know. But this thing, definitely keep your eyes on this though, because if this thing just start dumping, what? Market about to bleed. So everyone is putting it loading up. They've been doing it. They're not doing it right now. They've been doing it. They've been in this thing. So all that time people selling Apple and just dumping Apple keep getting downgraded. Apple keep getting downgraded. Apple just dumping. People been loading up on the video. Y'all don't believe me? Look at Apple, y'all. And if you already know about Apple, you know. And I've been watching it because this can be an opportunity for bounce. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This can be an opportunity. So watch out for this because when it's ready, yeah, this can be a nice one. This can be a nice one. It kind of looked like a failed, kind of like a failed cup and handle. Like it tried to make a U, and it tried to make a handle, and it failed, and it just got slammed down. But definitely watch out for Apple though. Right? Drop some stocks below if y'all want to look at any stocks. All right. Any stocks you want to look at, make sure y'all drop below. Drop below. I hope y'all following me, man. Y'all gotta look at these sectors, man. I can't just be, I gotta look at these sectors because it's all one. That's how I look at it. Overall, it's all one. Overall, right? So hopefully y'all following me. But y'all see how? Remember how I just showed y'all Microsoft, and we'll go back to it real quick, right? Hold on, and this is just I want to show y'all something. So y'all see how? Look, you see how Microsoft made all-time high right here. Then we came down, made like a little midway point, and then we came down, and then we pushed up right here and made this lower high. All right, and we're still getting rejected this middle point where it's double top. It's a double top right here. I didn't even see that one. It's a double top right here, and we made a lower high. Right, we got a lower high rejection and a double top. That's a confirmation. I see why this big ass red candle happened. That's two confirmations in one. You got a double top and a lower high rejecting from these previous highs right here. Right. Anyway, and then we came down. Right. So this can be a start of a reversal, or this can just be a fake out, right? This can be, but this most likely this could be. I'm not saying this. This could be the start of a reversal, right? And look at Apple real quick. Let's look at Apple. Same, kind of the same situation. Made a double top, right? Expired. Apple running. People think it's gonna hit Apple. Apple gonna hit 200. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Let's go to the 12-month real quick, so y'all can see this is Apple all-time highs, just like how Microsoft is, right? This is Apple all-time highs, right? All right, cool. When do y'all see that? So Microsoft all-time highs. It made a double top, and then it fell, made a higher low. Literally. Go back to Microsoft Daily, made double top, fell, made that midway point, then it fell, then made a double top and a higher low. I made 2 double tops, right? Apple, all-time highs, 198, did not break, right? Did not hold that 200 level. Hit 199, I think, right here. You see? Yeah, 199, right? Double top, right? Double top. What happened after that double top? We fell. Then we came up and did what? Higher low. Once we made that first higher low, we fell, made a lower low. Made the first lower low right here. This 179 is lower than this 180. Then this 180. Yes, it is. So we made the first lower low. Then we did what? Came up, made a higher low right here, right? 190. Came up. We retraced the 190 after making that lower low. And then we dumped even more. So any push up that we get should be making lower what? Lower highs. Any push up we get, we should be making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. To come down and make lower lows, lower lows. This thing just been selling off, right? And it's been happening since July 2023. Look at this. 2023. Every other stock been running, I swear. Every other stock been running since October, November. Apple did do. Apple did too. It did. It did run. It ran to make a double top to get smacked down. Yes, it did. But every other stock had been running since October. End of October, beginning of November. And you look at SPY. That's how SPY made all-time highs. QQQ, Meta, NVIDIA, AMD, whatever. A lot of stocks started back in this October and November, and then we just start running. So watch out for this. This can be a lot of opportunity, but this Microsoft, it can, like I said, it can either be a fake out or this can be like the real deal. But none of that back on Microsoft, it did the same thing. Apple had a double top, right? And then it came up, and then what it did, made a lower high to make a lower low, right? Okay, look at Microsoft. It's at all-time highs. Apple's at all-time highs. I made a double top at all-time highs. Microsoft made a double top at all-time highs. Apple fell. Microsoft fell. Apple came back up and retrace. Microsoft came back and retrace. What did Apple do? Made a double top on that next retrace. What this do off this retrace? Double top and a lower high. What Apple do? Made a lower high. All right. So it's like the same setup, because you'll see the same setup happens when we at the highs and lows of a stock, because we setting up, because it's like we getting ready to set up for a drop, or we getting ready to set up for. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, that daylight savings thing yesterday messed me up. Yo, I'm in PA. I woke up. Y'all know it's snowing here, yo. It was snowing. What the? Yo, they lied to us. My weatherman told me it's gonna be 70 degrees in PA today on Sunday. In PA, for real. I woke up, it was snowing. And then it said it's gonna snow at 4 o'clock and 6 o'clock. I know that's so random. It's so random, but yo, the weather, I say this all the time, I swear. The weather is like the stock market, yo. I swear it is, yo. I swear it is, because we over here in PA, we did not break 60 degrees yet. Right? We thought today we were going to break 60 degrees and get that 70. Today was that day we always hype like, oh snap, we about to get 70 degrees. We woke up just at 40 degrees with snow. It's like, huh? It's like stock market is like the weather, yo, or the weather's like the stock market. Because I swear, we consolidating over here in PA. We consolidating. Our resistance is 60, and our support is 30. And we just keep bouncing in between 60 and 30. So once the weather actually breaks 60, that 60 will become support. Then we should start getting some nice weather, right? And then after we get that, but hold on. Just like the stock market, though, right? Hold on. So say we get 70 degrees tomorrow, right? We finally broke 60. We ain't hit 60 yet. We ain't break 60 yet, right? So say if tomorrow, Monday, we get 70 degrees, right? Say if tomorrow, SPY break a key level. Say it's 520, right? Oh, everyone hype, everyone low, and everyone eating, right? So we breaking that key level, and then Tuesday we back below, we back below 60 on the weather. Now over here in PA it's 50 degrees. It's 48, 49, 50 degrees. SPY fell below on Tuesday. It's back below that all-time highs. All it's doing is pulling down, retesting. So remember, we broke resistance. The weather was at 60, right? We broke resistance with the 70. Tuesday we fell. We retraced from 70. Remember, support is 30, but we only retraced to 50. So we still $20 away. We still $20 away from support, and we still retrace. So now Wednesday we break 70 again. Thursday break 70. Friday break 70. Saturday we breaking 70. Sunday we breaking 70. 70. Next week a new week. Monday stock market open. Oh, we fall back to where 60. Wow, cause Nana, that's the support. So in the stock market, once we break a key level, right? Once we break that main key level, we may break it for that short period of time, and then once we get that drop off of that, that's when it's time to enter off of that drop. Off of that, you get as long as you see a double bottom or a higher low, you good. You good to enter off that bottom to push up to break that previous level or to retest it. Just like right here, when Microsoft made this double top, it broke that 60 degrees butter. It broke it. We hit 70. The next day, we fell back to boom. But we still holding above our support, that 394 support. And never hit that support. Oh, and it made a double bottom. We got a double bottom. We confirmed calls. It gapped up the next day from 400 to 415. It gapped up to 408, then it ran to 415. Sorry. But so what I'm trying to say is that when you break a kilo support or kilo resistance, always wait to see how it reacts, to see if we make a higher high or a double top or a double bottom or a lower low or a lower high, whatever it's reacting off of. Just wait for it to react. Don't chase nothing. Just wait for it to react so you can catch the setup. And that's how you catch the setups. That's how I catch setups. Wait for it to see how it reacts. Don't react to it just right away. Wait for it to hit and let it see how it reacts. Now, once you see how it reacts, now enter off it. All right? Now enter off it. Get that confirmation. All right, I'm gonna run through a couple stocks. Make sure y'all give me some thumbs up. We got 12 thumbs up in here with 18 people. So make sure y'all give me that thumbs up, man, because we need 18. We need as many people in here. As many people in here as we need as many thumbs in here. We need as many thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you don't already, y'all see, say Hood Entrepreneur Telegram chat. It's my free Telegram chat to catch me live. We got live and we're starting classes in there too. So come, it's free, you know. So make sure y'all join that free Telegram chat, man. Let's get it. So someone said AMD. AMD. All right, let's see this thing. Hold on. Is AMD's at all-time highs? I don't think so. I don't think this at all-time highs. There's no way. Oh my goodness. Yes, it is. It finally broke that 180 level, yo. I was low key. Who remember that, yo? Like a couple weeks, like probably like a month or two ago. I just kept playing MD. I played MD for that whole week. Yo, this is the beginning of the year. Right here, yeah. Yo, it did not break this 180 level. I gave up. And it was earnest right here. I gave up. I said, yo, we was not breaking this 180 level. We just kept getting 180, smackdown, 180, smackdown, 180, smackdown. I said, man, I'm not playing AMD. This joint is not moving, but it was building up momentum though. Came right up and so I have a couple gaps on here. It look like we have 2 gaps, so we can just draw the gaps out right on the daily. So y'all seeing this right at me. Boom. That's 1 gap. And that's another gap. It looked like that gap was filled though on Friday. So let's see. If you can't see the gaps like how I can see on a daily, then go to the 4 hour. If you can't see on the 4 hour, right? All right, this is a good one, y'all. You'll see how I drew these gaps right here, but y'all like, God, where the gap at? All right, but hold on, look on the daily. But you see how you can see on the daily right here? And right here from this candle to this candle. So if you can see it, if that ever happens to you, you can see on the daily, but you can't see on the 4 hour chart. That means that you have to go down here to your settings, type in section, type in regular trading hours. Now you can see the gap because that's extended trading hours, and you can't see extended trading hours on the daily chart because that's a daily time frame. But yeah, now you can see it. Okay, but so I had this gap right here, and this gap was filled. I ain't gonna lie, it was. It was filled Friday. Look at that. So we filled that gap. So for AMD, this thing like might fall. Look at this double top. Damn, that's crazy. But anyway, double top. I'm just damn. That's crazy. That's I had to say that thing twice. Yo, that's crazy. Do y'all realize what happened on Friday? Yo, this thing ran from 212 all the way to 226. And then fell from 226 all the way back to 206, 205. Oh my, that's crazy. That was crazy. I had to say that 2 times. But I ain't gonna lie, this thing ain't about to fall, fam. So I would stay safe entry below this gap, this 205. Next gap right here. So that's how I play it. Below 205 puts, above this 207 calls. That's how I have it. I can't really say too much because we filled this gap. And technically we didn't fill it because if you ask me, right? If you ask me, this since 205.33 and 205.61 is not the same sense. It's not. If you gave me money, right? If you gave me some money, right? And your change supposed to be $30 and change, because 33 cents and 61 cents is that's just estimate to 30 cents, right? It's even though it's like 27 or something, whatever. So 30 cents, a 30-cent gap, right? And if you give me money and you supposed to have 30 cents change back, and I say, oh no, you good, it's only 30 cents. Are you gonna let me slide with that 30 cents? I mean that $30? No, you gonna want your money. Same thing here. It didn't fill that gap. So I think this thing about to fill the gap. I ain't gonna lie. We came up, got rejected right here, and we about to fill the gap and or even break below it. Just that safe entry is the wait to see how that gap fills, that gap holds. But that's really what I have for AMD. I don't really have too much for that because that looked good. I'm not gonna lie, that looked good. So remind me for this tomorrow. So if you're remind me about this tomorrow, because I may forget about this, but this look good. This look good for a day trade too. Definitely see how it plays out tomorrow. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Let's go. Who remember that song? Hands up, thumbs down, represent that E-Town. I probably like, y'all know about that. That was that Philly Baltimore club music. Back in the day, man, Baltimore had that Baltimore club music, man. Man, yeah, it had the best music around. Let's get it, man. Drop some stocks below. We went over AMD, Wall Street, Wall Street family checking in. What's good? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, CVX, CVX, not CVS. No, CVX. Yes, CVS. Yo, CVS really came in the game and took over Rite Aid, yo. Yo, they really did. I ain't gonna lie. They literally took over Rite Aid. I don't even see Rite Aids no more. All I see is CVS. Damn, damn. Mm, mm. Ooh, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, my whole month. Yo. I mean, this the monthly chart. That's even worse. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 months. That's crazy. We took out 4 months of trying to retrace up in one candle. That's all I need to see in one candle. So it took 4 months. Look, listen, y'all, from 150 all the way to 170 for $30 move. It took 4 months to move $30, and it fell more than $30 in one. Y'all don't get it, man. 1 month. In 1 month. That's crazy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my method, man. I'm gonna use one of my methods that I have on my YouTube. Okay. Is how to find a 50% candle how to find 50% of an engulfing candle, particularly. And this is an engulfing candle because we engulf 4 months. So if anyone know that method, or that's what we're about to do for here. If you don't know that method, make sure you subscribe and watch the YouTube so you can learn how to do it, right? So I'm just doing the math real quick and all that. My calculator. Um All right, 157.65. Let's see where that's at. 157.65 right there. That's 75. That's 10 cents off, but I don't care. So, uh, okay, and we're gonna type in 50, 50. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie, I'm in the dark, y'all. I'm in the dark, so I can't see my keyboard. Where's 50%? I'm hiding from my kids. I'm hiding from them. I'm hiding. Sorry. All right, 50%. Boom. So we know. Well, I don't know because I don't see it. Bottom. No, 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 no. We want on top and we want on the right. Yes, like that. All right, cool. So 50%. So that's what I have for here for 157. So long as we stay below this 157 level, more downside, but we can break above this 157. I like more upside. I'm not gonna lie. They look like we're about to run, and we may push right to that 157 and get slammed down. So I'll see how that plays out. But this definitely look like it's about to run um to the upside. Let's see. And right here, this is 50% fibs. Right here. Boom. And 61.8 fib is right here. Yeah, so it looked like we about to run. So I said, before I even pull up the fib, we have this 50% fib. I was like, hold on, this thing like about to run on a daily. On a daily, this thing's about to run. So we hold above 157. I would say that's more upside activity to go fill the gap to the next gap at 166, I believe. 164. Okay. 164 to 166. But I would want to just see how we react at 157 because um you can't really see it because I'm not on the monthly no more. But if you can kind of get an idea from this high at 172, this high right here. So this high, and I don't know which one I did. I don't know if I did this one. I don't know. I don't think I didn't do that one because that's not the same month. So this low and this low, I basically just took, just tell you where 50% of is that. And 50% is literally right here, 157, which is respected to the left. You can see how it was respected right here once he lost 157. We came to 149. I'm sorry. My mom is calling for her grandson. It's crazy. When you have your kids, your parents don't even call you no more for you. They just want to talk to the grandbabies. But you can see how it's confluence right here. Then we honestly held above 157, we ran to 172, right? But I had this 157, so I want to see how we hold above or below. But as of now, right now, this thing like it's about to get a push. I'm not gonna lie. Kind of giving me a inverted head and shoulders vibe, like more of a complex one. Remember, a complex one is not going to. I mean, a regular head and shoulders. I mean, inverted head and shoulders. It'll look more like a head and shoulders. A complex one will look more like complicated. That's why I say complex because it looked more complicated, right? So I definitely want to see how this hold out, but it's definitely looking like it's about to get a push. I ain't gonna lie, daily looking good. Bigger time frames, monthly looking bearish. So we could definitely get a push on the daily, and then be getting ready to set up for a drop on a bigger time frames. But this definitely look good. So for this week, it definitely look good for calls. I ain't gonna spend too much time on this one. Make sure y'all give me some stocks below. Give me some thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and join my free chat. I have it right here on YouTube for y'all. It's literally, so if you watching my screen at the bottom in the toolbar or whatever that bar called, at the bottom you could literally say yes, Hood Entrepreneur. It's in the comments. It's the first thing that's comment, and I'm gonna pin it for y'all. So it's at the bottom. Free Telegram chat, free. Let's get it. All right, who said this coin? I know it was Luke. I know it was you, Luke. I know it was you. JPM, I got you next. JPM next. IWM, IWN. Oh, my fault. All right. Man, one thing I can say with coin, it's all-time high. So I don't Oh, no, it's not. Okay. That's Bitcoin's all-time highs. Okay. Bitcoin's at all-time highs. So, well, I don't know if it still is currently right now, the second, but Friday it was. Definitely was. Oh, definitely need that. Yes, sir. Boom, boom. Take that to the left. Hold on. Take it to the left, to the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Okay. Broke above there. 294 got rejected. Ooh, 300. I like this 299. Looking like. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. I got this rectangle zone right here. So, and we got a gap within our rectangle zone. Oh my goodness. We got a gap right here. Boom. And we got another gap. Bada bing. So I ain't gonna lie, that's why I have for AM coin. Okay. If we do fill this gap real quick and hold this gap fill 242, we come down, hold 42, hold above for 242, calls. If we hold above this 247, we come down, hold above 247, and not showing signs that we want to even fill this gap, calls. If we fill this gap and hold below this gap, puts. But as long as we hold above this gap, calls. Below this gap, puts. That's really what I have. Below this gap, puts, and from 242, the next level is 231, so about an $11 drop. All right, but as long as we hold above this gap, calls, right? Because we still ain't even hit the resistance of this key level, which is 280. Okay, the last time we bounced off of here, right? When we bounced off this 231, did we go to 280? Yes, it was respected. Once we held above 230, did we hit 280? Yes, it was respected. Okay, even this one, when we stayed above 239, did we hit 280? Yes, it was respected. When we stayed above 230, did we hit 280? Yes. So I had 280 for the kilo resistance, which we still did not hit yet, but still have a lot of room to hit. So I was just to see, will we get a small retrace to come fill this gap, like a little drop to 242? Is at 256, so that can be a big drop if you get a wrong entry. But I want to see how it plays out there. All right. London. No, that's two stocks. Hold on. You type Canva. I just looked at your CVX. Let me get to somebody else. Let me get to I said JPM next. Let me get to somebody else. I'm gonna try to be fair. Try to get I know because I already know in my head that I'm not gonna get to everybody, and it's about it. I I can't get to everybody. If I do, I'll be on this thing all night, and yeah, I gotta eat dinner still. I'm about to. I actually I was looking at JPM not too long ago, but JPM go to the 12-month first to see if it's all-time high. Yes, it is. All right, now let's go to the 4-hour chart. Y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Hold on. For those who came in, right? This is why I don't use this is why I don't pay for TradingView. Hold on. For those who came in the beginning, we it was literally 5 minutes. 5 minutes had these little ads popping up. All I did was exit out of them. They ain't pop up since. We've been on this thing for 56 minutes now. For 5 minutes, we had ads pop up. This is why I don't pay for a TradingView subscription. I get everything I need because I get everything I need. I got all my tools, all my indicators. Oh, only use one indicator. Now, if you use more than, I think a paid subscription, you need like 3 indicators. Or they only give you 2 or 3. I don't know. But if you use more than 3, then all right, you need a paid subscription. But you do not use that many indicators like me, and if you more of a trader that stick to price action and it's not really a big fan indicators, then hey, you should not be paying for no trading view. I ain't gonna lie. My alerts, I literally get. I'm just showing y'all. I'm just keeping it real with y'all. I don't want no one out there paying for it. Y'all don't need to. I came across this. Look, I got all my layouts, a watch list. Hold on. We got multiple watch lists. We got this one. I got my futures watch list. I got this one. Oh, we get a limited watch list on the free join. Yes, we do. A limited alerts too. I ain't gonna lie. Man, y'all should, if you don't use indicator, you should not be paying for this joint. That's all I'm saying. But JPM, I ain't gonna lie, I've been watching this thing. That's why I just had to just double check if we was at all-time highs. But this thing looked bullish. Even though they've been I don't know, they said they've been selling off, and everything's at all-time highs and people selling off. So I'll just be cautious and watch this. But we could definitely get a little drop though. Look at this 1 hour. We came up and didn't make a higher high. We made a double top. So off the double top, I want to see if we lose the 100% move. That's how I would play it. I would wait to see if we lose the last of that zone, which is right here. And if we do lose this level off of this double top, more downside activity. But as long as we hold this zone right here, then I like calls. As long as we hold this calls. Lose this, more downside activity, and then we got 184 next. All right. So that's what I have, right? So I have 187 to 186. I need to hold for calls and below for puts. So you can literally come here, go to your settings, and put in calls / puts. Boom. And if you can't see that like me, then you can literally change it to the top, put it to the right. That's how I do everything. To the right, to the sometimes this thing be bugging. I don't know why I be doing that sometimes, but I literally put to the right and then put to the left. I don't know. I don't know what's up, but yeah, get the point. So that's what I have for this, and we break above 190. Then of course, more upside activity to all-time highs. Definitely a great stock. All right. Yeah, I got you. IWN. I never heard that one. Oh, IWN. Yes, I did. Hold on. What's IWM then? Hold on. Okay, maybe. Hold on. IWN. Okay, I was just making sure. Because I always went to IWM, not N. But you are sure that you put IWN. Yeah, that's the second time you put that. So I'm pretty sure you're sure. All right. That's the last stock, y'all. And I'm going to hop off, closing off for the night. Make sure y'all join the free Telegram chat where I'm live every week, 2 times a week. And we are starting to do classes in there as well. So make sure y'all join that thing, man. Free Telegram chat. If you do want to catch me live, day trading Monday through Friday, I'm live. So make sure you hit the Discord. My website, which is also in the Telegram chat. But let's hop into this IWN. I had to say that clear. IWN because it's not M. It's like it can run to 160, 158, 160. It's looking like we can push on up. Push on up. And really just bouncing. Yeah, looks like we can push on up. I don't see nothing to the downside, like anything crazy. Let's go to the weekly because I could be missing. Weekly look good. Weekly look good. Like, is this thing about to run? This look good. Oh, is that a respected level? Hold on. We're gonna extend this rectangle zone to the left. To the left. To the left. To the left. And no, I ain't gonna say that part. There's too much gay stuff going on. I ain't gonna sing the rest of Beyonce's song. She said something about a closet, something. I don't know. All right, we got one. All right, yes. Above this zone right here, I like calls for a safe entry. So you can play calls 2 here and then sell in this zone to see how it reacts because we can definitely drop. But above this 160 calls, look at that. We just drew this. And remind you, if you was watching, we drew this on a 4-hour chart, and then it's still respected on the weekly and the monthly time frame and the daily. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, respect it. Hold on. Ooh, respect it. Ooh, kill him. Ooh. But yeah, though, above this 160, I like calls to the upside, and we can test anywhere. We can test anywhere from 166 to 170 to 178. So we can test any of these three if you hold above 160. All right. So that's what I have for IWN. All right. Hopefully it makes sense. Hopefully, I ain't gonna lie, the weekly look good to go. The weekly look good for calls. So I'll definitely watch out for this stock. I'm actually gonna look at this one. I think out of all the stocks I looked at tonight that y'all suggested, because if y'all don't know, if y'all suggest me a stock, that's how I'm gonna do. That's how I'm gonna do. Every time y'all suggest a stock, I'm gonna pick one of them that I like the most, and we're gonna try to enter that on the free Telegram chat. So if you're not in my free Telegram chat, make sure you join the free Telegram chat that's pinned in the comments. So every Sunday I like this idea. So starting now on, from every Sunday, whoever joined from the free Telegram chat, we're gonna pick a stock from that we go through, and whichever one I like the most, that's the stock that we're gonna eye out for. That's gonna be the week of the play for the Telegram chat that we try to enter, or you get a day trade or a scalp or a swing, whatever it that gives opportunity. But I like the idea, so I like IWN for this week. So we'll be looking at that. So make sure y'all join that free touch Telegram chat to stay updated and stay with me. I will be live this Friday for live day trading. So like I said, if you want to join me Monday through Friday, I have Discord where I'm live Monday through Friday on Zoom every day, Monday through Friday for the rest of the year. And that's in my Discord. Feel free to reach out to me, have any questions or anything like that. But with that being said, make sure y'all enjoy the rest of your night and get some sleep and be well rested. But I'll see everyone, all my Discord people, tomorrow at 9 a.m. So let's get it. See y'all tomorrow, fam. Let's get it.